Conservative New Media viewers, LA Lakers fans, and Houston Rockets fans around the world. What's going on? It's me, Paul F. Villarreal, the NBA expert. We've got some news ahead of tonight's big showdown between the Los Angeles Lakers and the Houston Rockets that will take place in Houston, Texas. And the news is this. The Lakers have said that Pau Gasol will miss tonight's game with tendinitis in both of his knees. So Pau Gasol will miss this game. He will sit out the entire game. Antawn Jamison is going to start in place of Pau Gasol tonight. Another change in the starting lineup. Chris Duhon is going to play tonight and start in place of Darius Morris, who has been starting in place of both Steve Blake and Steve Nash, both of whom are injured. Finally, for the Lakers, center Robert Sacre has been recalled from the D-League by LA. That is probably because they need more depth at the big positions with Pau Gasol sitting out this game. Now, there's some panic in Los Angeles right now. The Lakers are 8-9 as opposed to the Clippers, who are starting out a pretty strong 11-6. And so there's some unease out there in Lakerland. We've been picking up on it. We've certainly heard it. Houston is playing better. They are 8-8 at the moment. Now, this game is a rematch from earlier in the year, which LA won pretty easily at Staples Center, 119-108. The game was not as close as that score. The Lakers easily won that game. Just a couple quick thoughts on this news. Antawn Jamison has had some strong performances for the Lakers this year. So tonight's going to be a chance to show that he may deserve to be the starter ahead of a struggling Pau Gasol. Some people have called for that. Jamison does seem to be a better fit in Mike D'Antoni's up-tempo offense than Pau Gasol does, primarily because he's a better shooter than Pau Gasol from distance. Jamison is kind of a stretch four, as the saying goes, meaning that he can stretch the defense and stretch the floor a little bit with a longer range jump shot than what Pau Gasol has. Now, Chris Duhon, I think he's going to have his hands full tonight because Jeremy Lin is improving game by game. Of course, we've been tracking him here at Conservative New Media. We're big Jeremy Lin fans and supporters. And while Jeremy's not at Linsanity levels right now, he is improving. I think his form is coming around. He's getting used to the system there in Houston, and the knee that he had surgery on at the end of last season is starting to kind of come around a little bit. He's starting to get his explosiveness back, and his confidence is starting to come back as well. Now, if the Lakers lose this game tonight, and this is the first game of a 3-game road trip, I believe, then I expect true panic to set in for the LA Lakers and the fans. If they go to 8-10 and they're heading out on the road for most of this month, I think then you might start to see some real anxiety set in for the Lakers and their fans. This game, I think, is likely to be a shootout. The first game was like that. Both of these teams can get up and down the court, even though the Lakers are a little bit older. They certainly showed in the first meeting between them and Houston that they were more than capable of running with Houston. They actually outran Houston and outdid them at fast break points. So I think that this could definitely be another offensive showcase like the first game was. And I wouldn't be surprised if Houston came out on top in this game, although you certainly can't count out the Lakers. They know that they need to get this win. They know that they need to kind of right the ship. So it should be a pretty good game between two teams that I believe are currently ranked 7th and 8th in the Western Conference standings. That's it. That's the news right now. Give us your comments below. Thumbs up, thumbs down on this video. Of course, we encourage you to come and join the Conservative New Media Facebook group. You'll find a link for that group in the video description below the video player. Over 2,000 members there and counting. You'll also find links to Twitter messages by Dave McMenamin, who got the news out there that Pau Gasol would be sitting and that the starters would be Jamison and Duhon tonight. That's all for now. I am Paul F. Villarreal again, the NBA expert. Thanks a lot for watching Conservative New Media. We will talk to you again soon.